This is a continuation off the previous load testing. Still 55 grain Barry's projectiles, attempting to shoot subsonic. We have switched pistols at this time just because this one already has the flash hider attached to it. That is designed for the quick detach for the suppressor. Yes, this is all NFA controlled device for the suppressor. We do have the tax stamp on hand in the house, which is less than 100 yards behind me. So without further ado, let's take a look and see what it actually does on sound.